Go ahead and do your Spanish.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What's come next?
17.
17.
Do you want to start from uno?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Keep going, keep going.
No.
Well, what comes after 10?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 10. I don't want to sing numbers.
Okay, you want to say bye-bye?
Bye.
Oh, wait. Do you want to say adios?
No.
But that's how you say bye-bye in Spanish.
Bye-bye.
Adios.
Adios.